A woman was killed in western Kentucky when a giant sinkhole opened up and swallowed her along with her vehicle. Flooding washed away a road, causing that deadly accident. WKYT's Rebecca Smith is at the live desk now with the latest on the investigation and how this could have happened. Rebecca?
Very, very sad situation. 61-year-old Nancy Fox was on her way back home Tuesday from visiting her brother for his birthday when her life was cut short. According to our news partners in Nashville, the woman's vehicle was swept away by flooding that, as you can see from this here aerial video, caused a giant sinkhole to just open up. This is Black Hawk Road in Cadiz. A utility crew actually witnessed this whole thing happen. The Trigg County rescue team searched for her car downstream for about 3 miles. Her vehicle was located submerged and upside down less than a mile away. Nancy Fox was an employee of Barkley Plantation Assisted Living Community in Cadiz. Very sad outcome for this lady who was headed home and was just in the wrong place at the wrong time. At the live desk, Rebecca Smith, WKYT.